So if you are seeing access denied, you don't have access to chat.openai.com indication, then there is no need to worry, because in this quick video tutorial I'm going to share with you two different techniques for getting out of this situation, and at the end of this video you will be able to access ChatGPT without any interruption. I will share with you two different techniques, and the second technique that I'll share with you works 150%. First technique may also work, but if you go with the second method, your issue will be 110% resolved. So first let me share with you the first technique. If you are seeing the access denied indication, you can use a VPN to get out of the situation. You can go to your App Store or Play Store and search for here VPN, and there are a number of VPNs available here. By the way, you can go with any VPN, even if you are using it on desktop or laptop. You can go to Chrome's web store to install any of the VPN and it may start working for you. So this was the first method. Let me know if it worked for you. Now let's dive into the second technique, which is 150% working. Let me first share something with you about the second technique. A person contacted me on Instagram and he was also seeing this indication, which is access denied, you don't have access to chat.openai.com. He sent me this screenshot. So because of this, I got to know that this is because of the country restrictions. That's why in the first method I suggested you to use a VPN. So what I did, I made an account of ChatGPT for him on my country's phone number. In this way, his ChatGPT account started working and he sent me this screenshot next time. So as this issue is because of the country restrictions and ChatGPT is not available in your country, that's why I can do it for you just for $2. If you contact me on Instagram by this username, I can make an account for you just for $2, which will be 100% yours for lifetime, and there will be no extra charges for that ChatGPT account. Now this method is a little bit paid, but I don't think that it's a big deal for paying this little amount for a tool like ChatGPT. So this is how it works. You can go with the VPN, but if VPN is not working for you, you can contact me on Instagram. I can make an account from my country for you. That account will start working for you smoothly. I've done this for many of my clients. There's a video mentioned in the description of this video. By watching that video, many clients had contacted me on Instagram and I had made accounts of ChatGPT or OpenAI for them, and now they are enjoying it. You can go watch out that video and see their reviews in the comments. So let me know in the comment section with which method you are going and which thing worked for you. So see you in the next video. Thank you so much.